The Government of Pakistan's National Database and Registration Authority, NADRA, is hiring. If you're relooking for a rewarding career in one of Pakistan's most respected public sector organizations, this is your chance. Under the provisions of NADRA Employees Service Regulations 2002, NADRA is seeking highly skilled and experienced professionals for multiple positions across Pakistan. Let's take a look at the available opportunities. Deputy Assistant Director, Officer in Charge. Maximum age, 30 years. Qualification, 16 years of HES verified education. Experience, preferably 1 year in a relevant public sector role. Locations: Karachi, Multan, Lahore, Gujrat, Chakwal, Rawalpindi, Attock, Peshawar. Deputy Superintendent, maximum age, 40 years. Qualification, graduation 14 years of education. Experience, minimum 8 years in data entry or processing roles in public sector departments. Junior Executive Data Entry Operator, maximum age 25 years. Qualification, intermediate or equivalent. Experience, preferably 1 year in a relevant role. Naib Qasid, maximum age, 40 years. Qualification, middle. Experience, preferably 1 year in a similar position. Terms and conditions. Selected candidates will undergo a 6-month probation period. Only shortlisted candidates will be called for test or interview. No tada will be provided. False information will lead to disqualification. Age relaxation of 5 years is already included. Females, minorities, transgenders, and differently abled candidates are highly encouraged to apply. Deadline: all applications must be submitted online by the 19th of October 2025. Late or incomplete applications will not be accepted. To apply, visit careers.nadra.gov.pk or simply scan the QR code on the screen. Note: selection for these positions does not guarantee permanent employment or regularization, so don't miss this opportunity. Be part of NADRA, an organization committed to innovation, service, and the progress of Pakistan. Apply online today and take the next step in your professional journey.